In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses of all sizes. A strong online presence can help businesses to establish their brand, reach new customers, and drive sales. With the majority of consumers turning to the internet to research products and services, businesses need to ensure that they have a robust digital footprint that showcases their brand and provides a positive user experience. One of the key strategies for building a strong online presence is to develop a professional website. A website is often the first point of contact between a business and its customers, and it plays a critical role in establishing the business's brand and credibility. A professional website should be visually appealing, easy to navigate, and provide clear and concise information about the business's products and services. In addition to developing a professional website, businesses should also focus on search engine optimization, SEO. SEO involves optimizing a website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for specific keywords and phrases. This can help businesses to increase their visibility, drive more traffic to their website, and attract new customers. By optimizing their website for search engines, businesses can improve their online presence and reach a wider audience. Social media is another important channel for building a strong online presence. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram provide businesses with a powerful way to connect with their customers, build their brand, and drive engagement. By creating a strong social media presence, businesses can increase their visibility, build their brand, and drive traffic to their website. Social media can also be used to provide customer support, share news and updates, and engage with customers in real time. Content marketing is another effective strategy for building a strong online presence. Content marketing involves creating and sharing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. By creating high-quality content, businesses can establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry, build trust with their customers, and drive engagement. Content marketing can take many forms, including blog posts, videos, social media posts, and ebooks. Email marketing is another powerful tool for building a strong online presence. Email marketing involves sending targeted and personalized messages to customers and prospects via email. By building an email list and creating regular email campaigns, businesses can stay top of mind with their customers, drive sales, and build loyalty. Email marketing can be used to promote products and services, share news and updates, and provide exclusive offers and discounts. Influencer marketing is another strategy that businesses can use to build their online presence. Influencer marketing involves partnering with influencers who have a large following on social media or blogs. By partnering with influencers, businesses can reach new audiences, build their brand, and drive sales. Influencers can help businesses to create sponsored content, product reviews, and other types of content that can help to build their brand and drive engagement. To build a strong online presence, businesses need to be consistent and authentic. Consistency is key to building a strong brand, and businesses should ensure that their messaging, visual identity, and tone are consistent across all of their online channels. Authenticity is also critical, and businesses should strive to be genuine and transparent in their online interactions. By being consistent and authentic, businesses can build trust with their customers and establish a strong online presence. Measuring and monitoring online performance is also critical to building a strong online presence. Businesses should use analytics tools to track their website traffic, social media engagement, and email marketing metrics. By monitoring their online performance, businesses can identify areas for improvement, optimize their online channels, and make data-driven decisions. In conclusion, building a strong online presence requires a strategic approach that involves developing a professional website, optimizing for search engines, leveraging social media, creating high-quality content, and using email marketing and influencer marketing effectively. By following these strategies, businesses can establish their brand, reach new customers, and drive sales. A strong online presence is critical for businesses of all sizes, and it can help to drive growth, profitability, and success. Moreover, building a strong online presence is not a one-time task. It requires ongoing effort and maintenance. Businesses need to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies and continually adapt and evolve their online strategies to stay ahead of the competition. By prioritizing their online presence, businesses can build a strong foundation for growth and success. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Businesses that fail to establish a strong online presence risk being left behind, while those that prioritize their online presence can reap the rewards of increased visibility, engagement, and sales. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, building a strong online presence is critical to your success. By following the strategies outlined in this article, businesses can build a strong online presence that drives growth, profitability, and success. Whether you're looking to improve your website, social media, or email marketing, the key is to be consistent, authentic, and customer-focused. By prioritizing your online presence and continually adapting and evolving your strategies, you can build a strong foundation for growth and success. Ultimately, building a strong online presence requires a deep understanding of your customers, your market, and your business. By understanding your customers' needs and preferences, you can create an online presence that resonates with them and drives engagement. By understanding your market and your business, you can create an online presence that differentiates you from your competitors and drives growth. In the end, building a strong online presence is a critical component of any business's overall marketing strategy. By prioritizing your online presence and continually adapting and evolving your strategies, you can build a strong foundation for growth and success. Whether you're looking to improve your website, social media, or email marketing, the key is to be consistent, authentic, and customer-focused. By doing so, you can build a strong online presence that drives growth, profitability, and success for your business.